plant is a working experiment to solve part of the problem. In this period of concern about shortages of energy and natural resources, recycling and reuse of waste materials makes good sense environmentally and economically. Working together, we can eventually solve the environmental pollution and energy problems which an overloaded and affluent world presents, not only in solid waste disposal, but in the conservation of limited supplies of low-sulfur fossil fuels. It is hard to imagine this garbage and trash being converted into a useful energy source, but this experimental process is proving successful. The trucks are unloaded at the plant and the domestic solid waste is scooped onto a conveyor belt. The belt is equipped with a scale for weighing the solid waste. The destination of the trucks is the Union Electric Merrimack plant, where 2 of 4 units have been fitted as a part of this experiment so that the shredded refuse can be fired into the furnaces with coal and used as an auxiliary fuel. Union Electric has spent over $800,000 in this program. This joint experimental project is viewed as a possible means of reducing the constantly growing problem of waste disposal. It is estimated that existing generating plants could easily consume the refuse output of many urban areas. Although this system saves this company 6 tons of coal every hour, an equal benefit will be to the people of the city of St. Louis in helping solve the problems of energy conservation and solid waste disposal. When the self-unloading transport trucks are in place, the refuse is pushed into the plant receiving bin and then onto a conveyor belt, which leads to a pneumatic feeder for transport to the surge bin. From the surge bin, these pneumatic feeders and blowers convey the refuse into the boiler furnace. Four pipes carrying pulverized coal lead to each corner of the boiler, where there are 4 coal burners. One of the refuse-carrying pipes also leads to each corner, and the boiler is tangentially fired. Combustion Engineering Incorporated of Windsor, Connecticut, developed and patented a fuel firing process donated to this project, in which the material is swirled and burned in suspension at 2,500 degrees. Fly ash is collected for recycling in the cement industry. In this boiler, normally 60 tons of coal are used every hour. By this experimental process, 54 tons of coal are burned with 12 tons of the shredded solid waste per hour. The energy output of the steam generator is then fed to turbine generators, and the output is constantly checked by Union Electric personnel to ensure that the power needed by the city of St. Louis is being produced. The energy needs of this country are several times today what they were 10 years ago. This experimental project seeks a solution not only to the disposal of solid waste, but more importantly, convert